Hey, amazing minds and curious spirits. Today we're demystifying a cornerstone of academic wisdom, meta-analysis for your dissertation. Meta-analysis is like concocting a culinary masterpiece, blending diverse studies to unveil richer, more nuanced insights. Exciting adventure, isn't it? Have you ever found yourself lost in a sea of studies, pondering, how can I weave clarity from this scholarly maze? If so, meta-analysis is your guiding star. It's essential when you're dealing with a broad and quantifiable range of studies. Think of it as picking the right genre for your tale. You wouldn't mesh horror with romance, would you? First off, we embark with a systematic review. It's like diving into an ocean, selecting the pearls of high-quality studies to construct a robust foundation for your academic edifice. A faulty foundation spells doom, so ensure your chosen studies are rock solid. Next on our journey is data coding. This is where the fun begins. It's not about cryptic computer codes, but about mining valuable data gems from your chosen studies. Imagine being an explorer, uncovering treasures of knowledge from the dense forests of academia. Once our treasure chest of data is ready, it's time for some statistical magic. Using appropriate statistical tools will uncover patterns, trends, and aha moments from the data. Visualize yourself as a detective, sifting through clues to reveal the secret stories lurking within the numbers. Now, with the hidden stories uncovered, it's time to interpret. Transform those numeric tales into insightful narratives, unveiling the deeper meanings and revelations encapsulated within the stats. It's like translating ancient scripts, bringing to light the wisdom held within. But wait, our exploration doesn't stop here. Reflect on the ripple effects of your newfound insights. How will they reshape the landscape of your field? Embracing the limitations of your study isn't a weakness. It adds a layer of authenticity, making your work a reliable beacon in the academic sea. Meta-analysis might sound like a colossal undertaking, but it's about piecing together myriad insights to create a comprehensive picture. It's your chance to contribute unique, enlightening perspectives to your field, adding vibrant colors to the academic palette. Remember, every acclaimed researcher and esteemed author started with a flicker of curiosity. So are you ready to step into this transformative odyssey? Meta-analysis is more than a method. It's a metamorphosis of intellect, a refining fire for scholars, yielding deeper comprehension of the scholarly realms. Let's forge paths of enlightenment together, be the torchbearers in the academic world, and weave symphonies of knowledge, enriching our minds and souls one meta-analysis at a time. The journey might be filled with challenges, but the fruits of discovery and the jewels of wisdom are worth every step. The pursuit of knowledge is noble and exhilarating, brimming with discoveries and enlightening pearls. So, buckle up. Let's dive into the uncharted waters of academia and be the scribes of wisdom and crusaders of enlightenment. Keep the flame of curiosity alive, keep learning, and remember, your pen is a mighty sword in the world of ideas. Let's embrace the journey, discover the unknown, and let the radiance of knowledge guide our paths. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and who knows, your pen might just etch revolutionary insights in the scholarly world. Until our paths cross again in the pursuit of wisdom, keep the quest alive, keep discovering, and may the light of knowledge illuminate your journey. See you soon, intrepid explorers of the academic cosmos. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less.